In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a copy and share a SurveyMonkey link. SurveyMonkey is a popular tool for creating surveys, and sharing your survey is crucial to collecting those essential responses. Let's dive in and break down this process step by step. First, you'll need to log into your SurveyMonkey account. So open up your browser, head over to the SurveyMonkey website, and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. If you don't have an account yet, you might need to sign up first. Once you're logged in, take a moment to look around. If you're new here, you'll see your past surveys listed among other things. Next, pick the survey you'd like to share. Think about which survey you need responses for, or which one is timely. Click on that survey and it will bring you to the survey's main interface. Here you're going to want to look for the Collect Responses tab. This tab is your gateway to distributing your survey, so go ahead and click on it. Inside this tab, you need to select the Web Link option. It might also say Get Web Link depending on your interface. This step is vital because it tells SurveyMonkey that you want to share your survey on the web, creating a clickable URL that respondents can use to access your survey. Once you click that, SurveyMonkey will automatically generate a unique URL for your survey. This URL is exclusive to your survey, ensuring that when people click on it, they're taken right where you want them to go. You should see the URL prominently displayed. Now, to copy this URL, look for the copy button next to the link. Clicking this button is the easiest way to get that URL onto your clipboard, ready to be pasted wherever you like. If you want, you can also manually highlight the URL with your mouse, right-click it and choose Copy from the drop-down menu. With the link copied, you're ready to share it with the world. You have several options for sharing the survey link. One common way is to paste it into an email and send it to your contact list. This method is direct and allows you to personalize your message. Alternatively, you can share your link via social media platforms, post it on your profile or in groups where the audience might be interested. If you have a website or a blog, consider embedding the link there. This option is great for reaching your regular site visitors. Lastly, don't forget about messaging apps or SMS. They can be handy for quick shares with friends or smaller groups you want responses from. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you're ready to distribute your SurveyMonkey survey to maximize your response rate. Happy surveying and see you next time.